Welcome to this guide on adding an RSS feed to your WordPress website. In this instruction, you will learn exactly how to integrate an RSS feed using the WordPress interface in just a few simple steps. Begin by opening your web browser and navigating to WordPress. Once you are on the WordPress homepage, look to the top right corner where you will see a login option. Clicking on the login button will direct you to the page where you can begin your login process. When you have reached the login section, notice the option that allows you to continue with a third-party service. In this case, you are encouraged to click on the option for continuing with Google. By selecting this method, you will be prompted to choose from your list of Google accounts. Simply select the account you wish to use for accessing your website. This simplifies the login process and allows you to bypass entering a separate username or password if you use your Google credentials regularly. After successfully logging in, you will be taken to the WordPress dashboard. Look for the quick links section that is typically featured prominently on the dashboard screen. Within quick links, locate the option labeled Edit Site. Clicking on Edit Site will take you into the site editor where you will be able to modify and add elements to your website. This editor is designed to give you full control over the appearance and functionality of your site. Now that you are in the site editor, direct your attention to the top left corner of the screen where you will see a plus icon. This icon is used for adding new blocks, sections or content to your site. Click on this plus icon to open up a list of available blocks that you can add. The interface is built to be intuitive and user-friendly, making it easy to enhance your website without the need for complex coding. Next, a search bar will appear to help you quickly locate the specific block you wish to use. In this search bar, type the term RSS. Typing this term will filter the available content blocks and bring up the one designed for displaying an RSS feed. This block is integrated within WordPress, ensuring that the process remains smooth and straightforward even if you are not an experienced user. Once you have found the RSS block, click on it to add it to your website. The block will then be inserted into the page where you can configure it according to your needs. At this point, you have successfully integrated the RSS feed block into your website, and you can adjust any additional settings within the block if required. Finally, it is important to save your changes. Direct your focus to the top right corner of your screen where you will find a Save button. Click on Save to ensure that all the modifications you have made are securely stored. Saving your work finalizes the process and guarantees that your website now includes the RSS feed element. This simple process provides you with an efficient way to add an RSS feed to your WordPress site. Each of these steps, from logging in with your Google account to inserting the RSS block and saving your changes, is designed to be clear and straightforward. Enjoy the enhanced functionality of your site, as visitors can now access the latest updates through your integrated RSS feed.